Think about for a second. Today, before going to a restaurant, we watch Instagram reels. We will see which is the best dish. Before buying a new mobile, we watch YouTube reviews. Before going to an interview in a company, most people first watch how to introduce yourself in a YouTube. Even now, some of the biggest business grow because of videos by providing information about their services and products, right? That's how powerful video has become today. We learn through videos, we will get entertained through videos, even we build our careers through videos by watching online courses. But here is something interesting. Most people think video editing means effects, transitions, plugins, and knowing software shortcuts. But honestly, real editing means much deeper than that. Editing is actually about making feel something. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Creators Camp. I'm Chandrakant, I'm designer and professional video editor, and for the last 7 years have been working in a creative industry. During this journey, I have worked on branding videos, social media content, YouTube videos, explainer videos, and many other real-world projects. And while working on all these projects, I have noticed something interesting. Most beginners focus only on what effects should I add, which fancy transition should I use, right? Honestly, that's completely normal. Because when you search on YouTube, there are already thousands of tutorials teaching on effects, shortcuts, and tools. But a very few people actually explains why editing works, why some videos are more engaging, why do some videos make us bored, and how professional editors actually think while editing. Let me give you an example. Imagine two people using the same software. For example, Premiere Pro. Same laptop, same footage, same music, same tools, but somehow one video feels awesome. We will give full attention and listen completely, and the other one feels very boring. We will skip it. Why? The software and everything is same. The difference is in the editor's thinking, timing, storytelling, emotions, pacing, understanding audience attention, where the real editing actually happens. For example, think about a cricket match. When Kohli hits a six, it feels good and we will enjoy the moment. But now imagine there is no sound, no slow motion, commentary, and how it feels. So simple. Now add slow motion, crowd reaction, stadium sound, commentary, close-up shots, and powerful music at the right timing. Suddenly the moment feels legendary, right? The shot is the same, but the feeling completely changed. That is editing. Recently, I went to my native village with my brother. Around 8 pm, there was no power in the entire area. My brother and I went for a small walk outside. No street lights, no people outside, no vehicle sounds. Complete silence. Think of my situation. Usually in cities, something is always happening, but there, nothing. I was really scared. That is the power of silence. A good editor understands situation and emotions, not just software. And if you observe filmmakers like Rajamouli, his scenes feels grand not only because of VFX or cinematography. The editing also plays a huge role. The build-up, the reaction shot, the pause, the pacing, everything is designed to increase emotions and excitements. That's why audience whistle, clap, or emotionally connect to those scenes in the theater. Great editing controls the audience feelings, and that's exactly why I created this channel. Of course, we'll learn Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, we'll learn basic editing, timeline, audio, transitions, shortcuts or workflow, and everything step by step. But along with that, I also want to teach you how professional editor think, how storytelling works, how to make videos more engaging, how to edit faster, and how video emotionally influence people. And if you are a beginner watching this video, I know exactly how you feel because I have been there too. You open the software and suddenly there are hundreds of buttons, panels, settings, effects. Honestly, it feels confusing at the first and don't know where to start, right? But the good thing is you don't need to learn everything in a one day. You just need proper guidance and a clear learning path. And that's exactly what I want this channel to become. I don't want these videos to feel like boring software class. I want this channel feeling like you are learning from a friend who already went through the same journey. And he's sharing everything step by step in a practical way. So whenever we learn a tool, I won't just explain what it does. I'll also explain why professionals use it, when to use it, and how it changes audience experience. Because understanding the why is much more important than simply memorizing buttons or features. So, if you want to truly understand video editing properly, not just software but storytelling, emotions, psychology, real world editing, you are in a right place. And before ending this video, I genuinely want to know something. Why do you want to learn video editing? Is it for YouTube, freelancing, career building, or business? Comment below. I will read your comments. I will try to make videos that genuinely help you grow step by step. Because this channel is not just about learning software, it's about becoming better creators and better communicators together. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up. And let's start creative journey together.